wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Noah, and this is our Dream Again show. We gotta be quiet today, so psst. We have Fluffy sleeping there. Have you met Fluffy yet? Fluffy is our dog. Both Olivia and I love Fluffy. He's our favorite pet. Do you have a dog, kids? Well, you might have a dog or a cat, or maybe some kind of other animal. But Fluffy is our pet. So, we gotta be quiet today, because if I speak loud, we might wake up Fluffy. So we gotta be careful and maybe whisper even. But can I show you something that I recently did? Because you see our Dream Again set here, right? But we wanted to make sure that if Fluffy is off playing or is sleeping somewhere else, we always have him with us. So Olivia and I took a picture. Well, I took the picture. She cut it out and put it into the frame. Olivia is a really good sister. She always helps me out. So let me show you. This is our picture frame. Ooh, I really love that. Oh, can you see it too? Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, I'm sorry, kids. Let me turn that around for you. Hold on. See? Do you see Fluffy? Isn't that a cute picture of him? Right? That's nice. At least his eyes are open. Fluffy, do you want to wake up and say hi to the kids? No? Okay, I guess not. So, we're gonna put this, where should we put this? Maybe we put this up there, right? That looks pretty nice, don't you think? Oh, I love that. That's a nice picture. Dream again, Fluffy. Oh, maybe Fluffy's dreaming right now. Do you kids dream at all? You know, I dream of rainbows, of sunshine. I love dreaming, because dreaming, I can do anything that I want. And you know what? I dream all the time. I wonder if Fluffy dreams too. Do dogs dream too? Do you know that? Maybe we can find that out later. Who knows? Maybe Fluffy will even tell us. So, but let's leave that up to the next episode. Right now, I want to introduce you to a new toy that I have. Now, this might be embarrassing for some boys, but it's not embarrassing to me, because he's one of my best buddies. And with summer coming up, he teaches me a lot about summer. So, let me get it. One moment. Where is it? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I think I have him. Oh, look. Oh, there you are. Wait, but you don't have clothes on? Oh, of course you do. Yeah, you of course have your bathing suit on, right? Yeah, Ken, why don't you show yourself to the kids? See, now this is Ken in his bathing suit. I like your bathing suit, Ken. I wish I have blue ones too. Oh, Ken, will you help me? Maybe, I can go back to the store and find blue swim trunks. But what do you do when you don't go swimming? Okay, you still have some more clothes, so why don't we look? Why don't I put you right there? Oh, here. Can you sit down like this? I don't even know. Oh, yeah. So you can sit down like this. Why don't you sit right there and let me see what clothing we have for you, okay? So, oh, there we go. See, these are other swim trunks. Can you kids see that? Yeah, kind of. Here you go. those are your other swim trunks. But I like the blue ones better. So what else can we show you, kids? These are some nice summer pants. Should we see how these fit? And then, but we should pick out a nice shirt for him as well, because you don't want to go shirtless all the time, right? So why don't we put on, I don't know, let's see. Why don't we put on this shirt? Will this fit? Maybe, I don't know. I'm not so good with dressing up. Olivia's so much better, but I still love Ken. Ken is still a cool Barbie doll, right? And who knows, maybe Ken will meet the other Barbie dolls that Olivia has. She's been collecting. Although, you know, I haven't kept count. She has like 100, maybe 101. I don't know, maybe only 50. That's too much for my small little brain. Okay, so why don't I quickly go into the wardrobe dressing room, I dress up Ken, and let's see how he looks in the new dress, right? In his summer suit. And maybe I can even find clothing that will make me look just like him for the summer, right? So hold on. Wait, but can I just tell you one more story? What's your favorite activity that you like to do? You know what mine is? I love going surfing. Yeah, riding on the waves. Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna break ya. I'm not a good singer. Olivia's the best singer. I always forget the lyrics. But I really love surfing songs. Maybe Olivia will teach me surfing songs for the summer. While I changed Ken's wardrobe, let me show you what I came up with. I made a couple of changes because I wasn't happy with what I had, but let me show you. So originally, you know, I wanted to put on this pants, but the problem was the shirt that I had for him wasn't matching. So what I did is, see, because it's summer, I put him in the white pants. Okay, so I just thought for summer, we want to wear light things, not too dark, because white is Ken's favorite color. Mine is blue, by the way. But Ken, doesn't he look good? He has Canucks shoes on, and a white pants on, and a white shirt with nice colors. Don't you think he looks good? See, now you can sit right next to me right here. There we go. And then we put you like this. There we go. See, this is much better. So I think this is a good summer dress. And then when we go surfing, we put on the shorts again. But we're not going to do that now. It's going to take up too much time, you know. But I think this is a good outfit for the summer. So, Ken, if you're going to come with me to summer beach camp and maybe 4th of July, and then what else are we going to do? Well, I don't want to give away too many secrets. So let me say nothing about that, and then we can surprise you. Olivia wouldn't be happy about that either if I would tell you too much. But do you like my Ken Barbie toy? See, now we feel really lonely. I wonder when we're going to get to meet Olivia's Barbies, you know, so Ken won't be so alone all the time. Where is Olivia? When is she going to show up? I don't know. Oh, have I spoken too loud? Is Fluffy waking up? Fluffy? Fluffy? Wake up, Fluffy. Don't you want to show yourself at all? Fluffy! Fluffy! Oh no, I woke him up. He might be hungry. Let's go. Ken, quickly, go!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!